I'm Laura Wasser, and I am a family law practitioner. I am a partner at Wasser, Cooperman & Mandels in Southern California, and I am also the CEO and founder of It's Over Easy Online Divorce. So I have represented spouses in the past, parents in the past. In one instance in particular, I represented mom. Dad had AUD, Dad had been to rehab, Dad had come out of rehab and was doing pretty well, but he had a relapse. And so mom was understandably very concerned about what was going on when her kids were over there. When they were younger and he would have custodial time, there was always a nanny present. But as they got older, Dad said, I don't need a nanny present. I really want to spend quality time with my kids when I'm with them, and so therefore I don't need that person. And so my client said, I'm really worried. There's not going to be anyone there to say, hey, I don't think you should drive, or hey, you left the stove on, or whatever. What do you think we can do? In the past, we would have monitored visitation and have a person that just kind of stands there like a potted plant, making sure nothing goes wrong. In the past, we'd have situations where somebody would come to the house and do, urine tests, very invasive. Also, kids wondering what's going on. When we proposed that Dad would use Soberlink, first of all, Mom had a much higher level of comfort. And Dad was actually super cool about it because I think he at that time was feeling very comfortable with his sobriety. And he even said, I'm really glad that I know that I can test while the kids are with me, that the test automatically goes to you, Laura, that nobody else is seeing it unless there's actually an issue. And then I can move on with my custodial time, not worrying about being accused, not worrying about somebody saying, oh, I saw him holding a can that looked like a beer, but maybe it was just non-alcoholic. Very, very clear, lots of certainty, quick to do, inexpensive, and both my client and her ex were feeling really, really good about this throughout the entire usage. Working with Soberlink has been a real lifesaver for me as a family law practitioner because I can recommend that a client who struggles with their sobriety puts a Soberlink unit in their home, is able to show either their co-parent or the opposing counsel each time they are with the children or going to be with the children that they are in fact sober. If I have clients that are concerned about their children being with the other parent who may suffer from AUD, it's also a lifesaver because I can propose to the other attorney or party that they use this. It keeps everybody honest, and it really provides a sense of consistency for kids who clearly would like to be able to spend as much time as possible with both of their parents and without the impediments of litigation, negotiation, arguments, or accusations about whether or not a parent is maintaining his or her sobriety. As you may know, a few years ago I started an online divorce service called It's Over Easy. It's for people who don't want or need or can't afford to employ attorneys. It's more of a do-it-yourself. But we've also got a ton of resources through the website, and one of them is Soberlink. And we have had unbelievable response to people who now no longer feel the need to get a lawyer, get a testing person, get a sober companion. Whatever work they've done to maintain their sobriety or whatever concerns that they have about their co-parent sobriety, Soberlink can come in and provide a certain level of certainty. Companies like It's Over Easy or Soberlink come up with solutions and really, in my opinion, are helping the evolution of society, the evolution of dissolution, the evolution of a more compassionate approach to not only families, but reconfiguring families. And I think that's really important.